Alright guys, we got a 2011 MDX here, and we're gonna change the cabin filter. So we're gonna have to come over here to the passenger side here, glove box and cabin filter. So this is the part number on this guy, so if you guys want to pick up this guy, the brand here is PTC. That's what we're using. Inside here we got a cabin filter, nicely impacted. So a filter like this, you want to get fresh air from your vents, the AC and heat, all the air travels through here. So we do have airflow. So the airflow is always down since it sucks it and it goes through the motor. You will see if there's leaves up on the top, so the airflow is down. So what we're gonna do is, you're gonna have a lot of stuff in here, so be careful. So what we want to do here is right over here, we want to push this guy down just like that. This little clip here comes down, so just push down on it really hard, and once you do that, but all this stuff is gonna fall out, so let's try to remove as much as we can beforehand. And what you want to do is this little guy is gonna come off, and then you want to squeeze here, you want to squeeze here, and your glove box is gonna come down. That's how simple it is. So all you're doing is you're squeezing this area. You see this little guy, you're squeezing it in and squeezing it in, both sides together. So as you can see right here is a cabin filter tray. So it got airflow arrows right there, so we're gonna follow that airflow. So what you want to do, you want to push on the tabs on each side, you want to pull this guy out, and this tray is gonna come out. So a filter like this you should change every about 15,000 miles. So what we want to do is we can just toss this guy out of here. Come on, baby, get out of there. So make sure this is nice and clean. And you see these, I just want to show you guys something in here. You see this little edge here? Come on. And the edge on this side. So make sure when you get this filter in, make sure the edges, see, if you put this edges like that, it will, like this, it won't work. So make sure you have the opening edges, make sure the airflow is down. So if you're gonna put it this way, so the edges are, so there's no escape of air, okay? Because if the air escapes and it gets in there, so it's not gonna do its job. So one hand, like always. So make sure if you look in the back, you see how it's caught into there, both sides. That's how it's supposed to be. Take this guy, very simple, stick it right in there, and we're gonna push it right in. So you take one finger and all you do is clip it right in, and then you're gonna grab this with the one finger and you're gonna stick it right in just like that. Make sure you put this guy back in where it belongs. Make sure this little retainer here, you put this back on. So it was pretty easy to take out, but it might be a little bit difficult to put in. So make sure you get it in the correct spot and you push it right in. And if you don't do that properly, your glove box is not gonna come down so like that. It's gonna just slam right down. So test it. Bada bing, bada boom. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.